Our production company name is CG Inc. This name came from the first initial of each of our names, Georgie and Connor, also the reason we came to choose it. We felt as well as it sounding professional, the name is memorable, short and catchy.
A production company makes the basis of a film before it is passed on to the distributor to be adapted further. They can also be responsible for fundraising for the film, or this can be attained elsewhere like an investor. As well as this, the production company is responsible for budgeting, scheduling, scripting, the supply with the talent and resources, the organisation of staff, the production itself, post-production, distribution and marketing.
We chose Paramount Pictures as our distributor. The reason that we chose this was because they are notoriously known for thriller films, some of which we looked at in our research due to the similarities and inspiration we wanted to draw from them for our film. For example, they were the distributor behind Paranormal Activity. This film created a huge gross profit as well as starting with a low budget of only $15,000, yet another similarity to our text. This again was a reason behind us choosing this distributor, as it is clear that they can create a huge success from what can originally seem like a small-time film.
For a film such as ours, which would probably have a small budget, we would most likely have to look for a private investor for money. However, many other more well-known investors would be a possibility, such as the National Lottery or a well-known institution such as Channel 4.
The order of our titles is from distributor, an adaptation on the name of Paramount Pictures, to Para Hill, the production company, CG Inc., the names of the actors, and finally the title of the film. The order follows the conventions of titling within other films, as can be seen from our earlier research into titles. With the distributor being the best known of these and also wanting to be first, it is important they are first to give the audience a reassurance of quality and please the production company. Second and important means that next comes the production company to inform the audience of who made the film. The protagonist actors then come next, again informing the audience, leaving the film title until last. As well as this meaning the film title is prominent and memorable, it builds a sense of suspense within the audience as to the concluding title of the film name before the film begins.
As earlier mentioned, one film which would be similar to our film in this way is Paranormal Activity, as it was released by Paramount Pictures and was only estimated the small budget of $15,000. Another example of a film showing similarities to our media text is The Ring, which is another thriller containing aspects of the paranormal. Although The Ring had a much higher expenditure, the content is particularly similar.